21.
Sound like you missed a gear there, buddy.
Not bad.
What up guys, what's going on? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's your boy Nitish here, back with another video, and today, based on ECC's recommendations, we are changing the spark plugs in hopes to gain back some power that we've lost, because this car is not making the same type of power that the other cars are supposed to be making. So we've changed the air filters and the air boxes, if you saw in my previous clips, and now we're putting in a set of OEM Mercedes spark plugs for this big V8 6.2 liters. Look how big it sits in this damn engine bay. It's crazy, and it's all obviously more work because we got 2 more cylinders compared to the VQ. The beauty here with the V8 here is that the intake design is absolutely amazing. Like, you have everything under here, like fuel rails are underneath this, intake manifold is here, the throttle bodies are inside of the manifold here, and the intake comes in from the back, so it makes it so much easier for maintenance. I'm really impressed. I don't know if all V8s are like this, but this is really good. I think 540i that I used to have, the E39, was similar to this. It's a lot more complicated in the V6. There's so much crap going on, there's so much shit in the way. The intake pipe's in the way, that has to come out half the time. If it's an HR or VHR, you have intakes on both sides, so like it gets really annoying to do spark plugs, and they're hard to reach sometimes on this one. Even though it's only 6, this will take me far less time to take care of these 8 plugs versus those 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cracking and get these ones. I've already done the first one, just got 7 more to go. All right guys, so I did want to show it on video because I just wanted to bang it out as quick as possible, and so we got all the 8 plugs changed. We're gonna go ahead and test this car out on the road now and see how it does. One thing for sure is that we're gonna have to wait for ECC to go ahead and set up that replacement tune change that they're gonna do for me, so that we can get the aggressive downshifts back, because the V9 software that they have has incredibly smooth downshifts, but it just does not have that bark that you really want to have on these kind of cars. That's like the signature of these cars, that just grunt on the downshifts or the blip. So we want to get that back, so we're gonna have them do that. But let's take this thing for a drive and see how it does. about to hear some shit. Wow! Oh my god! What a sound, yo! He stalled it, look at that.
It's gonna come down.
Look.
Look at that. Oh my god, look at that.
Sounds like a G82 M4.
Ready, set, go! God, no way, buddy. That's crazy, bro. I want to see the G in person. Yeah, bro.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.